Introducing the next generation of the Royal Hawaiian Colocasias, bred by Dr. John Cho at the University of Hawaii. The next generation have really fantastic stem colors as well as the beautiful foliage. Here on my left we have the beautiful Mai Tai. This variety has velvet foliage in the lovely chartreuse and green camouflage tones, and then it has complementary ivory white stems with black striping. This is a great addition to your summer pots and containers. On the right hand side here we have Tropical Paradise. This has the glossy foliage in the chartreuse and dark green camouflage tones, and then the stems are the lovely plum with black striping. In the middle is Hawaii Cools, which is the upgrade to the All-American Plant winner Waikiki. This variety expresses the variegated foliage straight away in tissue culture, which means we can now offer the Royal Hawaiians in these premium quart sizes, more economical for you, smaller holes to dig in the garden, and you can buy many more of them so you can have this lush tropical look in your home garden. These plants, from being planted now, by the end of the summer will be 5 to 6 feet tall. The more sunshine and water you give them, the quicker they're going to grow. So unlike traditional alocasias, which traditionally would be grown in the shade and kept a little cool, with the Royal Hawaiian program, give them full sun and lots of food and water, and they're just going to look amazing for you. Look out for these in a garden center near you.